Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 20th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So, anyways, on the daily time frame, my overall bias is definitely still down for sure. I was kind of hoping this would right here was the end of a pullback, and it potentially was going to keep on going down from here, maybe either wave three or maybe a wave C. Either way, we would definitely still be looking for source, whether it's a three or a seed, so it doesn't really matter. The only problem is that I think we're in a wave four, and because of the wave two, I think that the wave four is going to be a complex pattern, like a triangle or a flat or something like that, which means that it could be extremely overlapping and perhaps a little bit hard to read over the next several months. So, anyways, going down to the 1 hour time frame, my bias is definitely down. Um, but to me, this is I was thinking yesterday this was the end of a flat right here, but if that was the end of a flat, then this needs to maintain downward movement. So if it gives you any kind of a break of structure to the upside, then that's going to invalidate this as a flat pattern. So definitely be careful because this is looking more corrective than impulsive. It kind of almost looks like perhaps this really is just like a wave A and this is a B and it goes up for a C and then maybe later on goes down. We have to keep in mind today is non-farm payroll news, and we haven't had this news event in several months because of the U.S. government shutdown, and this perhaps could be a big market movement today. So keep in mind that the daily time frame is down, and the daily time frame is really gonna be your friend. Even though this 1 hour looks very corrective, like it needs to go up, the daily looks like it needs to go down. So it could pop up a little and then just bam, right back down, making a lower high. So just always keep in mind that the higher time frame trend is always your friend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.